Hi, this is my technique for degassing a multi-bike petrol tank before repairs or sealing it or whatever. It's a homemade unit, see? And it just gently blows air in, and you can leave it on for days if you want, at least all day. It's quiet. You get a nice steady airflow coming out the tap holes. It's pretty good. I thought of using a hairdryer, but it just got too hot. It was no good, a bit dangerous. And some people suggest using an airbed inflator, but they're not designed to run for hours on end, and they make a right racket. So this is totally silent, and you can just leave it on for as long as you like, until the tank's totally purged of gas. Alright, I'll show you now what it's made of. It's just a cheap kitchen expeller fan from tool station. It costs 11 quid, this, and I just got a nice square suitable cardboard box and a bit of flexible pipe. This is out of an air vent in a car for heaters, and you know, it's only like a budge job, but it does it. And I found it's great. It works. All right. It's ideal for if you're going to seal your tank. Just leaving it running, it just got a really gentle airflow. Alright then, cheers, bye.